Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have these D6 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair these headphones with your MacBook. At first, hover this Bluetooth icon and click on it. Here click Bluetooth settings and now open your case lid. After doing so, you have to hold this button over here for a few seconds. Now we are in pairing mode and now we have to wait a moment until we see our headphones in our neighbor devices list. As you can see, the D6, we have to hover them and tap connect. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.